In the fascinating world of communication, we don't speak the same way to everyone. The way we express ourselves shifts depending on who we're talking to and the situation we're in. There are 5 main speech styles that linguists and communication experts have identified. Each one serves a unique purpose and is appropriate for different social contexts. Let's begin our exploration of these styles. 1. Intimate. This is the language of love, trust, and deep connection. It's reserved for your closest family and friends, those with whom you share a private world. This style is characterized by inside jokes, pet names, and unspoken understandings. It's perfect for private, personal communication, where words carry a weight of shared history and affection. 2. Casual. Think of this as your everyday language. It's used with friends, classmates, and people you're comfortable around. It's relaxed, informal, and often includes slang, colloquialisms, and a more laid-back tone. These are the conversations you have in the hallways, during lunch breaks, or while hanging out. It's perfect for relaxed, everyday conversations. 3. Consultative. This style is all about give and take. It's used when asking for or giving information, seeking advice, or engaging in a professional exchange. Think of the dynamic between a student and teacher, a doctor and patient, or a consultant and client. It's a two-way street where both parties contribute and benefit from the conversation. 4. Formal. This style demands respect and adherence to rules. It's used in official, respectful situations like business meetings, academic presentations, or formal speeches. The language is precise, the tone is serious, and there's a clear power dynamic at play. It's about maintaining decorum and conveying authority. 5. Frozen. This is the language of tradition and ritual. It's language that stays the same, passed down through generations. Think of pledges, prayers, national anthems, or legal documents. The words are fixed, and the delivery is often ceremonial. It's about preserving history and upholding values. So these are the 5 speech styles that shape our interactions. Each one plays a vital role in how we connect with others and navigate the social world. By understanding and mastering these styles, you can become a more effective and adaptable communicator. Remember them, practice them, and use them wisely to communicate clearly and confidently in any situation.